In this video, we will talk about how can you use and how can you set up your Samsung wallet in your Samsung mobile phone. So guys, the first thing we need to know that you cannot use Samsung wallet in any other company's phone. Like if I'm using iPhone, I cannot use Samsung wallet in my iPhone right now. So you can only use if you use a Samsung device. So you can install and you can use Samsung wallet for free and for a seamless payment experience. So for this, I will tell you the process in this video. How can you set up your transfer from your Samsung wallet and how can you set up your wallet? Firstly, we just tell you the step by which you can do it. So guys, whenever you will open your Samsung Pay here on your mobile phone, you can see there are two options. The first option is to add a credit card and add a debit card. And the second option is to add a membership of any type of finance NBFC. Firstly, you just have to click on the credit card debit card option here and add a debit card or any type of credit card. After entering all the details, it will be linked to your account. And after that, whenever you want to pay, you just have to open the wallet by swiping up from the access. And after that, you just have to go on the card from which you want to pay and just use your fingerprint and confirm it with your PIN. Amount will be transferred to other person's bank account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. This is not quite difficult and this is not quite tricky. It's very simple, and whenever you will open your Samsung wallet, you will automatically get to know that how can you sign into this application. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next another page.